Hello everyone, today we're milling Nissan keys. Now we have the padlock and the original keys, but today we're gonna try another situation, all key loss. So we found foreign car button and Nissan. So we can see the original keys here. We can see it's almost like 10 keys. As your appearance, you can try Tina. Okay, compare it to the original keys. Correct. Click. Now we can use these tools unlock the tooth number from the car door. So we got a bunch of numbers. Tooth number 12134 23312. We input the tooth number into the machine. Correct. And we use tooth to series function. It means tooth check code function. So you can see tooth code is 12795. There is a nameplate in the original keys. You can check it. So we use code series function. We input 12795. Data query. So you can see the tooth number is correct. Okay, now we click cut key button. We insert the 22 key blank like the picture described. Insert B1, B2 block, blade, and the 22 key blank. Okay, move the blade away. Here's the point. We have to use in 1.5 millimeter milling cutter. Okay, since we already changed the milling cutter, so we don't show this move again. Let's click cut key button. For our safety, you can close the protective cover. Okay, done. Clean it up. Now we can compare it to the original keys here. Very smooth and pretty. Okay, let's use in padlock to have a test. Well done.